Hi guys, welcome to this video about how you can replace a broken wristband strap. So here we have the LG Sport watch. It's not available online anymore. And yeah, of course you can buy it in stores as well. But yeah, there are a lot of buyers around and they want to keep it for quite a while. And what happens? The wristband strap breaks. So that's this part, not this part here. I just put it here to show where it broke. It broke right between here and here. So it's actually a rectangle and it broke at the edge. So here you can see that's the broken part. It's a piece of soft rubber and I didn't do anything special. It just broke apart. So what you can buy, what can you buy as a replacement? I've been looking online to find this piece or the whole wristband for the LG and it was not available. So I was looking for a similar size watch with a similar size wristband strap, and I found this here with these house slippers. No, of course not this one. It's this watch. It's available for $12. I have been able to get it for about $10. It goes up and down, couple of dollars. Sometimes lately it has been stable around $12. So it's not super cheap, but it's not extremely expensive. So here we have more details about this watch, and you can see it has a similar wristband and it also has this strap here. I've ordered this watch and took it out and yeah, so here you see the difference or a comparison. That's the original from LG and that's the, don't even know how it's called, fan mist. The fan mist, yeah, that doesn't have a number, but anyway, so that's the LG, that's the fan mist, and you see it is really super similar. Here you can see the crack where it's broken. Here it has, I think, something spared out. I don't know why this should be. I mean, there's nothing, no functionality about that. So you see the size is really super close. Here, what can we see? Here again, the broken part. Yeah, here you see the crack again from different angles, and here I have already put it on my LG watch or over the wristband, and the thing what you can see, it has a slightly darker color. It doesn't match the wristband perfectly, but it's actually no problem. Nobody would ever think that this is not original. I've been showing this to several people and asking, do you see something special? Do you recognize something unusual or something like that? And nobody found out. Even my wife, and after I told her, yeah, I had to replace this strap with a darker one. I asked her, isn't it annoying? And she told me, no, could actually be like a style element, that it's just some part is a little bit darker. I mean, not the whole. When you have other watches, some parts are a little bit darker, some parts are a little bit lighter. Even with the LG watch, I mean, it has some different colors, so it doesn't really bother me. I mean, if I had the choice, of course, I would pick similar color. But yeah, I really like the fact that it's so close. It's such a close match regarding the size. You can see here it's almost absolutely perfectly matching. Here you can see as well. So the thing is, I mean, when you buy smaller smaller size, it will be hard to fit over this bracket because it has to go over this bracket, and when it's too large it would really look super ugly. So you here see the gap on the left side and the gap on the right side, so gaps are really super small. That's the end. I mean, you see there's also some darker black. Of course you can't see that usually, but even I mean the rest of the watch has some different colors or slightly different colors, and really doesn't bother me. And I really like the fact that I have now a replacement and I can wear it again, because without this strap it's basically useless. You don't want to wear this watch or with this wristband when this part here, the whole thing latch, is not secured. It's absolutely needed, otherwise it would look really ugly, and it would be really unhandy, unpractical. Yeah, so that's it for now. I will definitely put down the link of this Fenmis watch into the description. Yeah, the link to the Amazon page, and I hope it will be available for a long time. And yeah, you can use the link to order it right away from Amazon. Of course, it's an affiliate link, and it supports my channel a little bit. Of course, that's not much with $12, and it does absolutely not have any disadvantage for you. It's just some kind of small appreciation for my channel, and that helps my channel grow and show you such things which help you in daily life. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.